Welcome to my Olaplex trial run. This is Camille Chanel, and in today's video I am trying to rescue my over-processed, over-dyed hair using Olaplex 0 through 7. As you can see, I got bored with the dark brown and I've dyed my hair red. My hair is completely combed out, so it's easy for me to begin finger parting my hair. I'm gonna finger part my hair into about 5-ish sections, and I'm going to keep each section separate using these really cool gator clips that I found at Ulta. So last section, I'm just going to split it, clip it, and we're going to move on and get started with the Olaplex No. 0 Intensive Bond Building Treatment. I'm going to start off applying this to my little section here. I want to apply this liquid very generously and massage it into my sections to try to well saturate my hair. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm actually really struggling to do that. My hair is not absorbing this product very well, so I actually have to go over my sections like a whole lot. My hair is about a 3C, 4A, coily kind of curl. My strands are very thin, they're chemically processed, so I guess that's the expectation, that it's supposed to be more difficult to absorb products. So I really have to put a little effort into working this product through my hair and through my strands. So once I'm done with each section, I'm just going to go over my whole head just as a situation, because it is. So once I've gotten it all over my head, I'm going to gator clip it and give this product about 10 minutes to wait. Alright fam, do not rinse No. 0 out when you move on to No. 3, a hair perfector.
Alright fam, don't mean to interrupt your Olaplex 0 through 7 video. However, so some of you may have been familiar with some of the TikTok and Facebook mentioning Olaplex and links to infertility. Specifically, it was an ingredient in the Olaplex No. 3, the hair perfector. And that ingredient was called butylphenylmethylpropionyl, or liliol, which is much easier to say. Now, Olaplex has removed that ingredient from their hair perfector No. 3. If you purchased your hair perfector No. 3 after January 2022, you should have the formulation that does not contain the liliol in there. If you got a formula prior to that, then more than likely you have that ingredient in your product and you can decide for yourself if you want to use it. I would go ahead and do some Google searches, read some articles, educate myself before I decided to use that product. Me personally, I did a little research and I didn't find myself to be uncomfortable with using the product in today's video. I did go ahead and finish it all because, I mean, might as well, right? So, without further ado, I return you to today's video.
After sectioning my hair, I very generously apply the hair perfector to each section. Might as well finish the bottle, right? At this point, fam, my hair does not feel sticky or slimy as I'm going through it. The product is sliding through my fingers, it's applying to my hair. I know that my hair is sucking this stuff up because my fingers are all wrinkled and pruny. So as I finish up my sections, I'm just going to separate them with these little twists, and then when I'm done, once again, I'm going to spread it all throughout to make sure that I've covered all of my hair. And I'm going to leave this in for 20 minutes before moving on to my in-shower wash day routine. This is the Olaplex shampoo and conditioner No. 4 and 5. We're going to jump right in with the No. 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. I really enjoyed using this product. It's very thick, very rich, got a creamy texture, almost like syrup, fam. Now, if you've watched any of my previous videos, you know that I love a shampoo that has a really good lather. I don't know if it's because the 0 and 3 were in my hair. I don't think I got as good a lather as I really wanted to. I'm not gonna say that meant that my hair was any less clean, but for me, I like a really good lather. So I had to rinse this out and move on to a round 2 shampoo, hoping that I get the lather that I'm looking for. This time the shampoo went in and easily lathered. You can tell it's immediately lathering. I loved it. It felt so smooth through my hair and through my fingertips. So that's when I really got in there and started giving my scalp that good massage and tried to give myself that good clean that I love to feel when I wash my hair. suds everywhere. I loved it. Whew. Okay. Rinsing this out was very easy. It wasn't caked up anywhere. The product was really smooth, so I didn't have any trouble there. It felt very clean, my hair. So once I've gotten this all rinsed out, I'm going to move on to the Olaplex number 5, the Bond Maintenance Conditioner. Y'all, this product is thick. Do you hear me? Very thick. Super thick. Smells like, I don't know, nothing? So I applied this to my hair. It goes on just as thick as it looks. It almost feels like a deep conditioner or a mask. So I think it could really double as that, honestly. So I always like to comb through my conditioners. So all I did in this video was comb through the conditioner, and then I moved on to my normal in-shower hygiene routine, which is not on camera. And I rinsed the Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner out. Long out the shower because I got hungry. I'm now here with my mostly air-dried hair. As you can see, the curls are definitely setting in. So moving on to the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. It is a leave-in treatment that I can use for my blow-dry routine. In today's video, I'm going to give my hair a quick flat iron as well, just to see how both the Bond Smoother and the bonding oil, the Olaplex number 7, work in my hair. Alright, I've finished my blow dry and flat iron routine. My hair, I'm just going to brush through and check it out, and honestly, I'm looking through it, I'm feeling it, and I like the way that it came out, but I'm not in love with the way that it came out. And I'm not going to say that's because of the products. I want to say that's actually because I let my hair air dry. So if you're looking at it, the ends didn't take to the flat ironing too well. And that's because of me. I did not get to smooth out my hair through my blow dry process to get the kind of smooth finish I would get if I did do that. All in all, I'm pleased with the product performance and how it did in my hair. I would definitely use this product again.
Thanks for sticking around to me while I gave Olaplex a try. See you in the next one.